As far as the exam itself, you're going to a testing center called Prometric. You show up with your notice to schedule. You need to bring a current photo ID. You need to bring a secondary ID like a credit card or something that has the same name on it. Your name has to exactly match on your photo ID and the notice to schedule. If not, contact your state board and change the name on there. Adjust it slightly. Then what happens is you go into the Prometric testing center, show them the ID, and then they sit you down and say, here you go, here's your seat, have a lovely day. And they sit you down in an area where you sit, you have a little computer, you have a piece of paper, a piece of scratch paper, and you have a pencil. Then what you can do is, boom, you click, you read the instructions, go to the next page, and then it says, you push that, and then the clock starts ticking. Now remember, there's that countdown clock. 4 hours, 3:59, 3:58. So again, don't push start until you're ready, but don't wait more than about 15 minutes. Otherwise, it'll time you out, and you'll have to reapply to sit for the exam. So you want to kind of keep moving. At that point, that's when I tell people to jot down their timing of the exam. I'm going to spend 50 minutes, 50 minutes, 50 minutes, 45, 45, so you can make sure you don't run short of time during the exam. Most students run short of time on fair and reg. You really have to watch the clock carefully for those two parts, which is fair and reg. So you go online and you book your part. Now, in looking at the time, you can take the exam 8 months a year. Generally, the last 2 weeks of every window tend to fill up. And the busiest month of the year is November, because we all kind of put it off. Well, I'll study over Thanksgiving, eat some turkey, forget the football, I'm going to study, and then take the exam. Right? Then you eat some turkey, tryptophan, and you fall asleep. So again, don't wait too long to book it. So let's say you get your notice to schedule, you contact Prometric, and you book the parts you plan to sit for. Then you're going to go in and sit for the exam. Now, as I said, it usually takes anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks to get your results. They're trying to cut that down a little bit. But if I take it in January, hopefully by the end of February, you take it in February, by the end of March, they try to get you the results before the next window. So if you didn't pass, darn, then at least you can reapply. The key is study hard, don't get discouraged. Woo, little Michael Jackson walk. Come on down. I've been teaching almost 20 years after I left Deloitte & Touche. I've done this for many, many years, helped thousands and thousands of people accomplish their goal, which is to get through the exam.